Okay, so it's approximately 12 hours since my first YouTube video, and so far people have called me a spaz. And hey, look, a cookie. It's a white chocolate cookie. And here's my milk. I'm gonna eat my cookie. Yeah, I'm weird. Anyways, so I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. Oh, I'm babysitting too. My two little brothers. Yeah, I I have no life. I make YouTube videos, eat cookies, and babysit. I'm gonna be a fat old cat lady. Don't mind the hair, please. I haven't done anything with it today. And well, I think I'm going to talk about your guys' reactions to my video. You said the funniest part was me getting bit on the ass by some foreign bug creature that lives in Georgia. Thanks, guys. Love you too. Yeah. Yeah. That was not my brightest idea. Sitting outside at 1 o'clock in the morning with the light on in the middle of Georgia. I'm eating my cookies, so don't mind me. Well, welcome to my kitchen. Bring on the woman jokes, I know. I'm in my kitchen. And no, I won't make you a sandwich, just saying. Um, Game Informer. I freaking love this magazine. Because believe it or not,
I need to go potty, but the bathroom door is locked.
why is the bathroom door locked?
I don't know.
Try it again. Told you, I'm babysitting. Are you sure it's locked?
Yeah.
Come here. Talk and say hi. Talk about something. Tell them about your car.
Our cars are cool.
Show them. Show them your cars.
Can I go get yours? Is that Brooklyn?
No, it's not Brooklyn. It's you. Car.
Yeah.
Here, take your car and go in your room. Oh Lord, what did I start? What did I do? Cars. Say hi, Spider-Man. Sorry, I saw him and I thought of Jenna Marbles. And I thought of my friend Kelly. So, that was for you, Kelly. And I really like this cookie. It's like white chocolate without the macadamia nuts. And there's a hair in my milk. Why does life hate me so much? Like, what did I ever do?
This is mine.
Life hates me. Cookies hate me. Milk hates me. Bye, guys.